These are the things that I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to be preparing kartoffel puree, you know. Have pepper, yellow pepper and green pepper. This one, they are bell pepper, you know. So I'm having two, yellow and green. I'll be blending it. Welcome back to Jamie's kitchen, you know. So we cook different things in this kitchen, not one thing, not one particular stuff, you know. So we cook different things, you know. So stay tuned. You are coming to kitchen, come and take from here. When I just go to the supermarket, if you see the way my children will be running from this kitchen, they'll be going pium 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 pium. They'll not rest it. The thing finish. I bought a lot of fruits, you know. We were waiting for this pot to get hot, so the pot is okay now. I want to add a bit of oil, you know. I'm just adding a bit of salt, you know. So I want to start adding the meat in. I'll cut that one again. So guys, I want to pan this pepper. I just finished washing it, so I want to slice it so that I can cook it, you know. So I want to blend this paprika, you know, pepper. I'm going to be adding this stuff that I blend. I'll be adding this. No, the machine to me self love. Christopher, where's your plate too? Which meat you want? Which one you want? It's what I'm saying.
They are using also for ketchup.
Yeah, no, you know use ketchup. Okay, this meat is enough. Christopher, you don't need with bones now. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and also help me to share my video. Bye.